everyone. In this video, we'll be solving another problem based on momentum. So here is the problem which reads, the speeds of a mouse and a cat are 20 meters per second and 5 meters per second respectively. The mass of the mouse is 1 kg and that of cat is 3 kg. Which of the two has a greater momentum? So the first step that we will be following to solve this problem is to list out whatever the information we have from the question. So we will be doing that here. The mass of the cat is given to be 3 kg. The mass of the mouse is given to be 1 kg. And the speed with which the cat is moving is 5 meters per second. Whereas the speed with which the mouse is moving is 20 meters per second. Now that we have listed everything that is given in the question, we'll be going to the second step of problem solving, which is just checking out that if all the things that are given by the question are in SI units or not. So here we see that everything is in SI unit because the masses are given in terms of kgs and the speeds are given in terms of meters per second. So we don't need to convert any of these things that are given by the question. So we'll proceed to solve this problem. Now we need to find the momenta that the cat and the mouse have. And we have to compare these two momentum and we need to find out which of these two animals has the greater momentum. So let us find out the momentum of the cat first of all. So the momentum of the cat is given by the mass of the cat multiplied by the velocity of the cat, which is 3 kg multiplied by 5 meters per second, and this turns out to be 15 kg meters per second. And the next thing that we'll do is to find the momentum of the mouse. So momentum of the mouse is given by the multiplication of the mass of the mouse and the velocity with which the mouse was moving. So the momentum of the mouse is 1 kg multiplied by 20 meters per second, which gives 20 kg meters per second. So we see that the momentum of the cat is 15 kg meters per second and the momentum of the mouse is found to be 20 kg meters per second. So here in this problem, the mouse seems to have a greater momentum as compared to the cat. So let us write the conclusion now. The mouse has the greater momentum as compared to the cat. So this is the solution of this problem and I hope the solution was understandable to you. Thanks for watching.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.